Hello everyone, today I'm gonna restore the headlights on my BMW Z3. As you can see, it's very yellowish and very cloudy. I'm gonna use the T-Cut headlight restoration kit, which I've bought on eBay. It's one of the cheapest one I've found. I'm just gonna follow the instructions and see what the result is. I'm going to start by putting masking tape around the headlights, all of it. I've put the masking tape on and I've given the headlights a wash using car shampoo and water, and it's ready to go. This is what comes in the kit: headlight polishing compound, headlight restorer sealant, and a cloth. So I've applied some of the compound on the cloth and we'll start rubbing. Just make sure it goes everywhere in a circular motion. So I've buffed it away for almost 10 minutes now, and it's looking better already. Now I'm just gonna do the borders where I've missed, and then we'll put the sealant on. So I've buffed everywhere and taken the excess compound off. Now time for the sealant. Apply the sealant to the microfiber cloth, just like the compound, and then circular motion. That's one side done. And now to the other one. So that's both of them done. Not too bad. There's one tiny bit that's deeply scratched, which I believe I'll get a better result with a polishing machine, but happy with the result. Please subscribe for more videos.